This is day 92, and today we are looking at how to wrap text. So sometimes you get cells which have long text and you would want all the text to fit in one cell and to be visible. For example, you can see my text here is covering 5 columns. And if I want it to fit in cell A1, I have to wrap text. So there are other alternatives. For instance, if I have text here, you can see I can only see part of my first cell here, not the whole text as I can see it in the formula box here. So for me to make this text fit in this cell, one thing I can do is I can adjust the column. So I can drag the column, resize it until it fits. But imagine if I want to put something in these cells, then I've covered almost half of my worksheet with one column only, and I only have less than half or half of the work of the screen to use for other columns, which is very new efficient. So what I need to do is to wrap text and make it fit in just this area. So I can just drag it a little bit here so it's not too big. Then what I can do is I can go to Home tab, and under Home tab, under here, you can see wrap text. So depending on the screen resolution, you might be able to see the full word wrap text here. So this is my wrap text, then I say wrap text. So you can see my sentence is now being displayed, but it's not overlapping any of the columns, or I didn't need to drag my rows all the way that side. I can, even if I decide to resize a little bit, you can see it's still wrapped in within my cell here. That's it, guys. Thank you. Enjoy. Bye-bye.